Hello and welcome back to another 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with the Master Code Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at the isTitle string method. And what the isTitle string method does is check if a string is in a title format. And what is a title format? Well, a title format is an uppercase character must be followed by a lowercase or a non-case character. Non-case character being a white space, for example. So basically, uppercase follows a lowercase or a non-case character, and then anytime there is a white space or a non-case character, an uppercase must follow it. So let's take a look at that because that's probably confusing to you. Let's create a string. A is equal to, why did that come up? Anyhow, A is equal to, let's do master code dot online, or not dot. We'll leave out the dot because otherwise it won't work. A dot is title, and we get true. So what's going on here? This is the beginning of each little section here, if you will, must start with a capitalized letter, uppercase letter, I should say, M. All right, so, and it's followed by a lowercase, so it meets that criteria. And then we got a white space, so now it must follow an uppercase. So we got uppercase and a lowercase following that uppercase, and then the same here is non-case, and then an uppercase, and then a lowercase. So it meets the strict criteria of the isTitle string method. Anyhow, let's take a look at another example of what would work here. Let's go ahead and look at this. A is equal to master code online, like this, and A is title, and we get false. All right. How about another one? Let's go ahead and look at A is equal to MCO. All right. A dot is title, and we get A is title. There we go, and we got false. All right. This, if you've never seen it, is the actual object. All right. That's why we throw the parentheses in here, so it returns a value to us. This is just calling the object, not calling the return. All right. And it's because I forgot to put the opening and closing parentheses. Anyhow, let's take a look at one more. If we do something like this, A is equal to master, and then code. Code, and then online without the uppercase online, we do A is title, like that, and we get false because a non-case must be followed by an uppercase. So non-case white space here must be followed by an uppercase. Any questions, head over to mastercode.online. Let us know. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next tutorial.